Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to painlessly deploy, manage, and use AI models from NVIDIA's NIM in your enterprise GenAI environment using Dial. NVIDIA NIM provides pre-built, optimized inference microservices for rapidly deploying the latest AI models on any NVIDIA accelerated infrastructure, while Dial provides the necessary functionality for enterprise AI adoption and development. Let's take a look at how it works. From build.nvidia.com, we'll find a model that we want to use from the list of Run Anywhere models. These include models from NVIDIA, OpenAI, Hugging Face, Meta, and more. Please note that if you plan on using these models in production, you need to sign up for an NVIDIA AI Enterprise license. For brief demo purposes, let's just pick a small model from Meta, Llama 3.2 with 1 billion parameters here. You can find more information about the model itself in the model card. From this page, all we need to do is get the Docker image from the deploy page. We copy this and head over to our Dial admin. Let's go to our model deployments from the navigation pane and open up our images. From here, we add our model as a new image, and we can customize our description, the topics this model addresses, and add any required environment variables. Once we are happy, we choose to install our image. After a few seconds, it'll show you that it has been successfully installed and we can now create our container. We select the image we created and input the deployment name, description, and whatever environment variables that we need to. Before we run the container, we're also able to configure the CPU, GPU, and memory limits. Finally, we run the container and wait for it to be prepared and deployed. The last thing we need to do is make this model available for end users by adding it to the Dial core through the Entities pane. The model registration process has been covered in other videos and in our documentation, and it's the same regardless of where it's hosted, so I'll fast forward through it today and show you the final model setup, where you can change the model's configuration like allowed attachment types, interceptors, rate limits, and roles. Now that we've configured and deployed a model in the Dial admin, it becomes available to end users in the Dial chat UI. We select it from the Dial marketplace and can confirm that we can now communicate with the deployed NVIDIA NIM model, and its usage and lifecycle can always be monitored and controlled through the Dial admin. We hope you enjoyed our demonstration of how NVIDIA NIM integrates seamlessly with the Dial ecosystem. Dial is our open-source AI orchestration platform designed to help enterprises adopt and develop AI solutions on their cloud environments of choice by providing functionality like rate limiting, cost control, load balancing, interceptors, data governance, and so much more, all while remaining free from vendor lock-in. Thank you.